Planning an international move from Indianapolis? Whether you're relocating for work, study, or a fresh start, understanding the costs and services available is essential. Let's explore what you need to know. International moving costs from Indianapolis vary based on several factors. On average, shipping a 20-foot container ranges from $795 to $855, while less than container load (LCL) shipments start at $79 per cubic meter. For household goods, costs typically range from $685 to $735. Several elements impact your moving expenses. Distance. Longer distances increase transportation costs. Volume. More items require larger containers and higher costs. Services. Additional services like packing and storage add to the price. Timing. Off-peak seasons may offer lower rates. Consider these reputable international moving companies for your move from Indianapolis. Offers transparent pricing and no upfront deposit required. Provides comprehensive moving services with global reach. Known for reliable and efficient international moving solutions. Specializes in international moves with personalized service. Offers a range of services including packing, storage, and vehicle shipping. To keep costs down, declutter before you pack. Reduce the volume of items to move. Book midweek. Avoid weekend premiums. Compare quotes. Obtain estimates from multiple companies. Plan ahead. Schedule your move during off-peak seasons. Living abroad offers a vibrant lifestyle. The cost of living varies by country, but it's essential to research your destination's housing, utilities, and daily expenses. Additionally, familiarize yourself with local customs regulations to ensure a smooth transition. By understanding moving costs and planning ahead, you can ensure a smooth and affordable international relocation from Indianapolis. Thanks for watching. For more moving tips and advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.